Once you have your lashing wire installed into your magazine doors, then you're going to want to take your unit and open up everything from below. Open up your front roller, make sure the unit's locked from rotation. Make sure your strand lock is open. And on the back of the unit, you want to open up your horizontal roller. Make sure your vertical rollers are spread apart to allow some clearance. And then open up your rear gate. Then you can go ahead and put that on the messenger strand. Just watch your rear gate there when you put it on. Make sure it's sitting with the messenger strand on the tire and the rear roller. And then the first thing you want to do is lock that strand lock. And it should snap into place to make sure the unit doesn't fall off. Then you can grab your cable, install it from below, secure it in place with that front roller and with the rear roller. And then you can close your rear gate. Make sure it's secure in place. And tighten up your vertical rollers and your horizontal roller against your bundle. Then you can proceed to use a clutch handle. You can pull out your lashing wire and secure it to your lashing wire clamp. Once you have your lashing wire secure, then you can grab your tow rope, hook it up to your pulling eyes in the front, and do a double check, make sure everything's closed up, and you can proceed to pull.